Hi, welcome everybody. This is Dave Anderson from SkillBuilders, skillbuilders.com. And today we're going to see a presentation from Sergei Martens, who's a partner of ours of SkillBuilders, lives over in the Netherlands. And as you know, he is going to talk to us about web accessibility. Sergei's been an Oracle developer since 1998. Started as obviously a classic PL SQL developer focusing on Apex and with special interest and focus in the UI bootstrap thing for Apex. Does a lot of really nice work there in the Netherlands, and Smart for Apex and Smart for Branding. They fall under a Smart for Unity label. So I'd like to pass it over to Sergei now for today's presentation. Welcome, Sergei.
Just like Dave said, we have a thick collaboration between Smart for Apex and SkillBuilders. And one of the applications that we worked together on was on the education planner for the Santa Monica College. And that was actually one of the first times that I got introduced with 508 compliancy and web accessibility. W3C Commission, they say people with disabilities can perceive, understand, navigate, and interact with the web, and that they can contribute to the web.